It's your girl Ro in the building, and I'm here to welcome you to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my Valentine's Day special. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you one of my favorite treats, and that's chocolate covered pineapples. But before we get started, we're going to go over the second video clues. It's 6 clues in this video to be a winner of the Valentine's supplies and the $50 gift certificate from Amazon. I need you to go watch the first video for all that information because we're going to get started with this video. So getting started, I'm using a candy coating that I normally don't use and not really a fan of, but I was asked if I knew how to use it. And of course I do. But let me tell you, almond bark is not chocolate. Almond bark is not made from almonds. Almond bark is made mainly with vegetable fats, sugars, and flavors. And you can color it and it melts easily. And the reason why it melts easily because it contains a bunch of vegetable fats. And that's why it melts so easily. But we're going to go ahead and get this melted, and we're going to melt it for 60 seconds because that's what it says on the back of the package. So I'm going to go ahead and throw it in the microwave for 60 seconds, and we're going to move right along. So here I have my pineapples. These are pineapple chunk slices. And here I have my other ingredients that I'm going to be using, and I will also leave them listed in the description box below. You're going to need a bunch of paper towel, sticks, and straws. And I have removed the chocolate coating. And as you see here, it's melting very well. And I put it back in to melt down just a little bit more. So I put it in for another 15 seconds. And here we have our melted almond bark. Now I'm using a foam to place my pineapples in. And you need a bunch of paper towel because what you're going to do is dry each pineapple completely as you see here. Once you have done that, then you can begin to insert your apple stick, and the size stick that I'm using is the 6.5 by 5.0, and that's a 6.5 in length and a 5.0 in width. The width is what you want to pay attention to because that is the size you need for the straw to allow the straw to go over the stick. So as you see, I inserted the stick and then the straw, and you need to use both for stability. All right. So then I'm just going to place it into my foam here and make sure you balance this out. Balance the pineapples out on the foam because they are heavy if you do these, because it will tip over if you place the pineapples all on one side. So just be aware. All right. So completely dry them before you get ready to dip them. Now let's get ready to dip. Now before you dip into your candy coating, you want to make sure you dry them before you dip. You still need the paper towel, and you still need to dry them even before you dip into your chocolate or your candy coating. So as you see here, I am dipping the pineapple, and you want to make sure you carefully shake off the excess chocolate or candy coating so that it won't be as heavy and that it can be evenly coated once you are done and placing it onto your foam. Now I'm taking some extra chocolate coating that I had already in a piping bag and just doing some drizzle over the pineapple. And you want to do that after the pineapple has completely dried, and then apply your sprinkles to them and then set them onto your phone to dry. Now here I'm using the chocolate chameleon in the color pink. This is chocolate food coloring. It is an oil-based food coloring, and I am applying it to the almond bark. And as you see, it colored well. It's still nice and smooth, and it's ready for my pineapples to go in and be dipped. And as you see here, it does well with coloring. And I am applying pink sanding sugar to the pineapple. You want to make sure that all the extra candy coating or chocolate is drained from the pineapple before you apply your sanding sugar. Now I'm going to use another food coloring, which is by the Artisan Accent brand in red, which is the chocolate chameleon. And then I got red sanding sugar, and it's still colored well. And I utilized the pink to get this deepened pink color, which almost looks like a mauve color. But it is close to the red, so it's going to look great under the sanding sugar. And I want you guys to know I am not a fan of the almond bark, and I'm going to tell you why. Is because it's just too sweet. Now, if I was to flavor the almond bark, it'll just taste too sweet to me, and that's just to my liking. So if someone preferred to have the almond bark, then that would be by request. So that is my reason why I do not like almond bark, because it's sweet. It has a lot of sugar. It has more sugar in this candy coating than Merkins. So that's why I prefer Merkins than almond bark. All right, so now that my pineapples are coated with the sanding sugars, I am now decorating with some hearts. And as you see, I'm applying some of the candy coating onto the pineapple to place these candied hearts just for nice decorations. So here is a package which you can get from Uline, and I'll leave all of that in the description box below. And then I place in wax food paper with hearts on them, and then some little shredded paper. This is the perfect package for these. Now, when you do package these, you want to make sure you cut off the extra part of the straw in order for them to be placed into this package. And it's the clear top package. I normally use it for my strawberries, but it's great for these pineapples as well. So you guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Remember, there's clues in this video. Make sure you watch the full video because there's some details that you need to know. And leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know if you're enjoying this little series for this giveaway. And make sure you watch the first video to get full details on how to win some Valentine's supplies and a $50 gift certificate from Amazon. All right, enjoy, and I'll see you all in the next video.